Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Revolut business account features. As a business owner, managing your finances effectively is crucial for success. Revolut offers a range of features to help you do just that. First, let's start with the basics. A Revolut business account allows you to manage your business expenses, send and receive payments, and track your transactions all in one place. To get the most out of your account, it's essential to understand the different features available. One of the key features of a Revolut business account is the ability to create multiple wallets. This allows you to separate your business expenses from your personal expenses, making it easier to track your spending and stay organized. You can also use wallets to set aside funds for specific expenses, such as taxes or employee salaries. Another useful feature is the ability to add team members to your account. This allows you to grant access to specific employees or colleagues, giving them the ability to make payments or track expenses on your behalf. You can also set permissions and limits to control what each team member can do. In addition to these features, Revolut also offers a range of tools to help you track your expenses. You can upload receipts and invoices to your account, making it easier to keep track of your spending and claim expenses back. You can also set up automatic expense categorization, which allows Revolut to automatically categorize your transactions based on the type of expense. To get the most out of your Revolut business account, it's essential to stay on top of your finances. This means regularly checking your account balance, tracking your expenses, and making sure you have enough funds to cover your outgoings. You can also use the Revolut app to set up alerts and notifications, which will let you know when a payment is due or when you've gone over budget. Finally, it's worth noting that Revolut offers a range of integrations with other business tools and services. For example, you can connect your Revolut account to your accounting software, making it easier to track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. You can also use Revolut's API to integrate your account with other business systems, such as payroll or invoicing software. By following these tips and using the features available, you can get the most out of your Revolut business account and take control of your business finances. Remember to stay organized, track your expenses, and use the tools available to you to make managing your business finances as easy as possible.